Hi guys, I'm hanging out under my desk and I figured out how to tape my phone here so that I can show you how to make these graphs without needing to use my hands so that I can use them for making graphs. So this is what happens when you have to be flexible. You have to be patient and flexible. We know that. We got this. Okay, so we're going to talk about graphs. There are 3 types of graphs you need to know about right now. Bar graphs, and they look like this, and they have literal bars on the graph. Sometimes you'll also see them go this way. Same thing, still a bar graph, okay? A bar graph shows information using bars. Makes sense, right? The next one is a picture graph. We actually call it a pictograph because that means a picture. So that's literally where we get to use pictures. This graph is showing information using pictures, and each picture represents something. So like this basketball is 5 points. So in game 1, they didn't just score 3 points. They scored 5, 10, 15 points. That's what we're going to do today, by the way. And then the last one is a line plot. And this is actually using a line. Makes sense, right? And it shows information on the number line using an X or some other kind of mark to show frequency or how often something happened. We'll do that one last, and it might not quite make sense yet, but I guarantee you that when I show you, you're gonna go, that's tough, that's easy. All right, here we go. So we're going to do a pictograph today. Remember, that's using pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna move my head out of the frame so you can see my graph. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're going to be making a pictograph today about the favorite ice cream flavors that you voted on from our Friend Friday video that we did. So I have my paper here. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then it will be your turn to make your own graph. You can do favorite ice cream flavors of your family, Charlie, this cat, or you can make whatever kind of pictograph that you want to, your choice. You kind of get to have some choice this time. Okay, so here we go. So to make a pictograph, Charlie, the first thing that I need to do is I need to get my data. So you could do a tally chart. I just did checkoffs here on my sticky note here to mark down who wanted what. Now, when I make a pictograph, my first step is to write a title that explains what it shows. So mine was favorite ice cream flavor. That's my title. So I need to make my title. Favorite ice cream flavor. And you might come up with others, but this is out of the choices that I gave you, okay? So now my next step is to choose a symbol for this pictograph. Maybe you're going to use a basketball if you're doing sports. I'm going to use an ice cream cone because this was about ice cream. So now I have to decide how many meals or how many things will my ice cream cone represent. So mine's going to represent votes, and I'm going to say each ice cream cone will represent 2 votes. That's always a safe thing to do. I have to put that somewhere, okay? That's kind of like a key. So I'm going to say each, and my ice cream cones are going to be easy. If they were difficult, oh my gosh, I can't imagine drawing all of them constantly. There, they look like little waffle cones. Each ice cream cone equals 2 votes. Okay, now my job is to make my pictograph. I have my title. The next thing I need to do, and I'm going to move my data a little bit, is I need to draw it. When you draw your pictograph, I suggest just drawing this nice, easy rectangle. Boop, 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 boop. And then I need to make my different choices. I had vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, chocolate mint, and cookie dough. 5 choices, so I need 5 rows. And I'm going to try to do this as best I can without measuring. 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now I need to make sure I label each row, and I'll pick a different color so you can see my labels. And this one is vanilla, chocolate. This one is strawberry. Ooh, will this fit in the box? Barely. It went out a little bit. This one is chocolate mint. My favorite, and cookie dough. Cookie dough comes in second. I loved cookie dough when I was little. Okay, so now all I have to do is draw my pictures. Remember, I'm drawing these little ice cream cones for each one. And I will use purple so you can see. And each one is 2 votes. Only one person voted vanilla. So that means I need to do half of my cone because half of 2 is 1. So I'm going to do let's see. I'll just do like someone took a slice out of my cone here. So it'll be like half a waffle cone. See, the other side of that's missing. 3 people voted for chocolate, so I need 1 full cone. That's 2. And then I need 3, so here's another half. 1 person voted for strawberry, so this is going to be my other half. And chocolate mint, 3 people. I was one of them. That's my favorite. And then cookie dough. Ooh, good googa mooga. It had 6. So that means I need, each of these is 2. And I know that 2 times 3 is 6. Oh, look, our multiplication comes in handy again. I love it when a plan comes together. All right, 2, 4, 6. Now I can tell that there was 1 vote. This is 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 vote. Chocolate mint. Oh, I totally forgot. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I looked this over. I totally forgot my other 2 on my chocolate mint. It had 3 total. There we go. Ooh, chocolate and chocolate mint had the same amount. They both had 3. And vanilla and strawberry had the same amount. Cookie dough had the most. See, this is cool. When you get your pictures drawn, you can actually make comparisons like this, which I think is really cool. All right, now it's your turn to go make your own. It can be about favorite ice cream flavors in your family, your choice. Or you can do the different types of stuffed animals you have, how many doors, how many windows. You choose, okay? Totally your choice. When you're done, take a picture of it with your Chromebook camera or some other camera that you might have, and you can send it to me on your Google Doc. You can email it to me, however you want to get it to me. Your choice, but I'm excited to see what you come up with. All right, guys, have fun. It's kind of like drawing. Okay, here I am. Okay, bye. Bye.